Good morning from our first weekend getaway here in Australia. We've come to Byron Bay and rented out this really cute Airbnb. Let me show you around. Rakel?
Yeah. Oh, what do you want me to do?
Terence? Chrissa? Alright, so we're gonna have breakfast and then head out to explore. The weather isn't amazing right now, but it's always cloudy at this time of year in the start of the day, and then it gets clear. So I'm optimistic as always. Let's go to the beach. And we're in Byron Bay. Hopefully the sun will come out. What did you think of this weather, Terence?
Overcast. That's what it is.
Weather didn't get better, still quite stormy, but we've come to the Byron Bay Lighthouse. Gonna go up there. Up, up and away! The sun is finally out. We're going to the market at the Byron Bay, check out, get a juice, and then hitting the beach. Okay, we just had a lovely pizza, and now we're catching the sunset. It's over there, but the lighthouse is over there, and I like the lighthouse, so I'm taking a couple of pictures of the lighthouse first before I turn around and take a picture of that. My assistant Terence. Say hi.
Hi.
Unpaid intern. I'm gonna turn around now. Grab a picture of that beautiful light. Let's move down the beach a bit and have some nice. Beautiful sunset finally. And tomorrow we're waking up at 4:30 for the sunrise, right?
No.
All that B-roll that you saw earlier was from a different beach, and that is for your benefit, to teach you the importance of scouting a location before you go out on a shoot. All jokes aside, I thought that would have been a nicer beach to shoot, but I'd never been there before, so there was no real composition that I could find that was as nice and intimate as what I was looking for this morning. So I left that beach as fast as I could, even though it's the first time I've been early to shoot. To come here to this beach, Wategos or Watagos, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, that we've been here before, and I knew there were a few compositions that I would like. Right now sunrise is happening. There's a lot of low clouds that will prevent it from probably going too crazy, but the light is nice and soft, and I want to do some intimate long exposure photos of the water hitting on rocks with some nice soft light, so I'm not too worried about what the light is doing as long as it's nice and soft. Just gonna grab my camera and scout some compositions. The light is really happening right now, but I'm still not 100% happy with my composition, so I'm gonna keep looking. So that's the only way you do it. Okay, I finally found a composition that I like a lot. I've got this big boulder here anchoring the frame and the beautiful sunrise in the background, and I like it. Well, this morning turned out much nicer than I expected it to be. Flew the drone for the first time in 3 days because it was super windy before. I got the intimate shots that I wanted. I got the grand shots that I wanted, and now I'm off for breakfast.